Player 1 and Player 2. Game on. 16 shots of cake. $18.99. Punk rock. 12 bucks. 25 shots. A bull run. 20 shots. $10.99. Rockstar. 25 shots. 12 bucks. Get Lit. $13.99 by Miracle Fireworks. 96 shots. Whole bunch of them. Yeah, Wild One. 11 bucks. Little baby tube rack. Whole bunch of them. Neon World Sky Bacon. $13.99. 18 shot. The Gambler. Sky Bacon. 20 shot. 12 bucks. Neon Forest Sky Bacon. $13.99 for 25 shots. Whole mess of those ones too. We got the Cool Kids pack. So I believe Goat, Flex, Lit, and Bet can all come in a case if you shop wholesale, if I'm not mistaken. I can't remember or not. They're all by Bright Star. So Goat is 10 shots, $8.99. Flex, same thing, 10 shots, $8.99. Lit, same thing, $8.99, 10 shots. And Bet, 10 shots, $8.99. What do we got here? Simon Summon, 10 shots, $8.99 by Winda. Again, the round ones, they just, I get it, they're easy to make, but they get pretty dangerous pretty quick. Gotta tape them down, gotta do something. Some people use caulk, liquid nails, whatever it is. $11.99 for Texas Outlaw. Born on the Bayou, 16 shots. Goddess by Texas Outlaw, $11.99. And what do we got for shots? 16 shots. Booty Chaser. I mean, don't we all? $11.99, Texas Outlaw. We got how many shots? 25 shots. Got Crazy Cat. Red Rhino. 10 bucks for a shot count that is yet to be determined. 12 shots, there we go. Whole mess of them. Party Slayer, $13.99. 19 shots. Big fireworks. Alright. I think that's going to come to a close for this video. This will be part 1 of probably, I would say at least a part 3 series. I still got 3 other aisles. So yeah, that'll bring up part 1, and this has been the 200 gram section at the Fireworks Superstore in Hannibal, Missouri. And as always, I see all you guys liking this stuff, commenting on this stuff, basically telling us that we're doing a good job, and you know, we do it so that you guys don't have to. It's really important to us to bring prices and availability to, you know, anybody that we can, because it's a big deal, especially right now with inflation on everything. I mean, it's just going to get worse. But the goal is to show everyone that fireworks aren't as expensive or as dangerous as the Karens of the world, as we'll call them, will make them out to be. So yeah, that'll wrap this one up, and we'll see you in the next one.